We are Anderssen and Voll. We are a design studio based here in Oslo in Norway. We do mainly domestic design and with a special emphasis on furniture and textile. I think what was interesting in working with Nofred is that it feels much freer in a way to work in a sculptural fashion when you work for kids.
And I also like the kids. The kids have a very specific attention to detail, I think.
A good object for children is something that you could keep around even after the kids have grown up. And I think that's for sure an element that we would like to put into our objects for Nofred. The first two pieces that we've designed with Nofred is a mirror and a wall hook. And for the mirror, it's almost like a portal. We call it the portal mirror because it's almost like a doorway, but with a small shelf at the bottom. The open gesture of the frame is both, and the kind of the thick shelf at the bottom makes it either a starting point for kids play or a place to exhibit your favorite items, but the gesture also turns the reflecting surface into some sort of focal point. I could easily use this mirror myself in my hallway or
a mirror that is placed much further down on the wall.
Exactly.
It's like it's adapted to the kid. It could be really nice.
Quite low on the wall outside of the children's room. Integrates the child also in like everyday life.
It could easily be in the bathroom as well, and then it would be natural to have.
So this is our version of the ornamental wall hook, and we've called it wall bug because it's almost like a little bit of an insect. First and foremost, I think it's nice that it has a certain level of complexity, so it functions as a mediator of imagination, so to speak.
I think the ornamental aspect was quite important because I remember we had a lot of sketches doing this, and we did some products that were much more conventional hooks or like conventional pegs, and they sort of just they get lost. It would be fun to see how kids would use it, but I think it will be used in a lot of different ways. Several things that made us want to work for Nofred. It's like the timing was quite good, I think. We both have kids, and just recently. And
one thing that we should be aware of in the work to follow with Nofred is to, when we work with things, maybe sit on the floor and have this kind of a different angle to objects.
My childhood was basically outdoors.
You were just nude, roaming the forest.
No, but it's like just outside.